Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to save contacts on the Redmi A5. Now to do that, just open the Contacts app on your smartphone. Now from here, just tap on the three dots at the upper right corner on the display and tap on Settings. Now from here, just tap on Import and Export Contacts. Now from here, just tap on Export to Storage. Now, as you can see, it will create a file of the contacts on your smartphone and it will save it in the Files app on your smartphone. And as you can see, this is the location of the file. Now, just tap on OK. Now, once you have saved the contacts on your smartphone, now to find the contacts, just go to your home screen and open the app drawer on your smartphone. Now, from here, just tap on Files. Now, from here, just tap on Downloads. Now, as you can see, this is the file in which we have saved all the contacts of our smartphone. And this is how you can save contacts on the Redmi A5. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.